GCSE students, you have got English language paper 1 coming up, right? So here I am going to mention a few mistakes which students make, so you must avoid them. Number one mistake which they make is like not reading the questions carefully. So students miss out the important information. So make sure always read the questions very carefully, and look at the words such as how, why, what impression, and or structure or language. Always underline the key command words, right? That's very important. Second mistake which students make is like forgetting the line numbers, right? For example, the question is between line answer of the question is between line number 10 and 15, and if you don't pay attention, you will lose marks. The third thing which student must avoid is that retelling the same story, retell the story, right? Using huge quotations. Don't use huge quotations, right? One of the biggest mistake is spotting techniques without explaining. So if you have spotted a technique, so make sure you explain it very well as well. And next one in the list is like saying the words like this makes the reader want to read. These type of words you should not write again and again, right? Next point, which is very important, is forgetting to analyze individual words, right? So if you are doing a text, so make sure you zoom in on individual words. Writing, next point is like writing features, spotting list, but not giving evidence, explanation, and effect. So that is very important. So make sure you pay attention on that as well. Also, please don't use confusing language, right? Always, your language should be very clear and easy to understand for the examiner. Next point where students make mistakes is like ignoring start, middle, and end of the essay. That is not good as well. Then another very common mistake which examiners have found is like not comparing the ideas in question number 4. In question number 4, you must compare the ideas. The next mistake is like forgetting to use quotations to use question number 4, right? So you must use quotations. And next point is like in the section B of the paper, spending too much time on planning, right? Planning should be there, but not too much time. Maybe 4-5 minutes of planning, that is enough. Next point is like writing boring opening, right? Your opening of the paragraph should be very attractive. And 15 is of forgetting about the paragraphing and sentences. That is very important. Use punctuation properly, right? And use the vocabulary properly as well. And then writing unrealistic dialogue, that will that way you lose your marks, right? And leave no time to check out your work. So please remember, at the end, always leave some time to check your work. So these points are very important. Students sometimes make mistakes. I've mentioned these ones. These have come from the examiner's report. So make sure you follow them, right? So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.